Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the aeroplane. Number 1. Aeroplanes are vehicles that can fly through the air. Number 2. They have wings to generate lift. Number 3. They can travel at high speeds. Number 4. Air travel is a fast way to cover long distances. Number 5. They come in various sizes and shapes. Number 6. They can carry passengers and goods. Number 7. Passengers have seats with seat belts for safety. Number 8. Aeroplanes fly at high altitudes. Number 9. Aeroplanes are an exciting way to travel. Number 10. They are a popular mode of transportation. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.